It has been a long time without talking, so that's why I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt outside. It is, I don't even have my phone on me, but it is colder than out here. It's probably like 30 degrees. I'm wearing the short sleeve shirt just so that I can really get the punishment in. I'm gonna go ahead and do some push-ups, 1,000 push-ups for not uploading for 2 months, and then we're gonna explain why, where I've been, what's coming, and why. 1, 2, 999.
Stop the cap.
Now guys, quite a lot has changed over the past 2 months since I made a video. That's for quite a bit has changed and quite a bit of things are happening. Now, I want some accountability here. I want you guys to hold me accountable to a couple different things. First thing is my health. I want you guys to hold me accountable to getting really healthy. You know, I want to get jacked, I want to get ripped. I want to be super healthy, and you know, that's a big part of things that I'm on a mission to do right now. And on top of that, I know I said that I was going to be doing all kinds of crazy videos. This was going to be a huge year with the Jeep, and just in general on the channel, it was going to be a huge year, and I uploaded 2 videos back-to-back bangers. I had like, I think one of them has like 65,000 views in a couple weeks. It was really awesome. You know, the year started off great here on the channel, and then boom, just like that, I disappeared. Now with me doing that, there was a couple different reasons and factors obviously playing into that. One is like, what do I make, guys? Like, what do you want to see? Like, what can I do with the Jeep? I mean, like what do I do with the Jeep? Now there is some good explanations as to why I did disappear for 2 months. It's literally almost been like at least 60 days since I've uploaded a video, which is crazy for me. There was a time like 2 years ago where I was uploading 3 videos a week without missing every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Now here I am slacking, and I have almost 26,000 subscribers. So like, what am I doing? I'm letting you guys down. So one thing that I did do over the past 2 months is I started a little mobile detailing business. You got a little Jeep right on there. So I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys are in Rhode Island and you want your car detailed. Now let me interrupt the video really quick and let me go ahead and put a hoodie on because I am absolutely freezing. All right, and by the way, guys, if you guys do want to support the channel, we do have the Smiles Per Gallon hoodies down below. A bunch of different ones. We got some Hoopty Boys, some Clap Car Mafia shirts. We got some really cool stuff down there. So go ahead and check those out too if you want to show some love and support the channel a little bit and help me do some bigger things, which we're going to talk about here in just a second, because we got some stuff I want to do, man. There's some stuff, whether it's the Jeep or it's a different car. You know, we want to do some car stuff, man. That's where I'm at, and that's where we're going. You guys tell I'm happy, man. I'm happy right now. Like, I have a vision, I have something that I want to do, and I hope you guys will be there to support, and I hope you guys will continue to, you know, support the channel and push and help me figure out what I want to do and what I need to do here, because right now I'm at kind of a crossroads, at a standstill. I've been at it for like a year, and it's time to break through that. So I've been thinking, right? And I know you guys are probably going to appreciate this, but also, yeah, I need your help. I need your help. I need your feedback. I need you guys to tell me what you guys think is the answer here. What do you want to see? Now, obviously I have the Jeep SRT. Right now I'm paying around $900 a month for a car payment. I was going to go ahead and purchase a Ram TRX a few months ago. When I looked at that, I was looking at around $1,500 a month, which would have been absolutely ridiculous. Would have been completely outrageous to be paying for a car payment, but it also would have it would have also brought a little bit of content to the channel. Now, that's something that I really wanted to do, and it's just like a personal thing. I want a Ram TRX. I love them. Hellcat engine and a huge truck is super wide, and it's just beefy. That's me. That literally screams everything about me. So that is my goal. I do plan on getting one of those, whether it comes to the channel or it just comes in my personal life. That is going to be happening sometime within the next year or so. I will be getting a Ram TRX, but for the time being, I want to start to make content again, and I want to have fun and enjoy doing content again, whether that like that means I want to actually do stuff, right? The problem for me right now is I can go ahead and make a Jeep video, talk about the features of the Jeep, or this feature sucks, or this trim level, this versus this trim level, or whatever package thing like that. And in those videos, I'm just searching for people who are searching for Jeep stuff and just trying to get more views and trying to grow the channel in that way, which is kind of the opposite of what I started doing when I started the channel. When I started the channel, it was because I had the Jeep. It was new. I was excited about it. I wanted to talk about it. I wanted to share that with other people who had Jeeps. And I also just wanted to, you know, create a community that was people doing stuff with their Jeeps. If you guys scroll way back to my channel, you'll see all the different videos where I was modifying my Jeep, which I'm sure a lot of you guys came from those videos of me just like working on my Jeep. Now, if you did come from one of those videos, or if you're just new to this video, then make sure you just subscribe down below if you're not already, because I know a lot of you guys aren't and you still watch the videos. So if you could, that would really help me and it would really support the channel to grow. Now, what I'm thinking, boys, is I want to actually work on this channel. I want to actually work on cars. I want to do mods. I want to go to the junkyard and get a piece and then install it in the video. I want you guys to follow along and get connected to the build. I want to just create that like car community channel like I know that we can have, and I know that so many other channels have. Now, what kind of market do we go in? You know, I've kind of backed myself into the corner where we have just the Jeep SRT, and it's just been the Jeep, and that's pretty much it. And I've said pretty much every single thing that I could say about the Jeep Grand Cherokee. There's really not much new. There's not much more that I can go into. So what is the next step, guys? What do you guys want to see? I'm thinking about maybe getting 1, possibly 2 cars. Like I said, I'm at $900 a month right now. So if I get 2 cars that are $400 to $500, I'm right where I need to be. And those are like, you know, that's a decent chunk. You know, that's somewhat expensive still. Maybe I start with one and just do 400 or 500, take the other 400 or 500 and put that into mods every month and parts and stuff like that, just so I can grow it and build it and really I just want that passion and that fire to come back, because I love creating content. I obviously love cars and I love working on them and doing all that kind of good stuff. So I know you guys enjoy watching it. I think I can, you know, bring that fun energy to the channel again like I once had, you know, say some funny stuff, whatever, go over the features, how to do things, all that as well. But I need a new platform, because I think the Jeep is done. And as much as I love driving this Jeep every day, like this is, to me, this was like my dream car when I first started the channel, and to now have had it for a year, like we just passed the year mark that I've had this Jeep. And yeah, it's just, it's kind of just like run its road, and I need to not be so attached to it and think of it more in a business decision, in the fact of I need something that's going to be able to create content. I'm going to be excited about creating content, and not just because I enjoy driving it every day and I enjoy the feeling that I get and the happiness that comes from driving the 6.4 liter. Now, it's not to say that I won't get another one in the future or whatever, but I am thinking that this Jeep may be going up for sale very soon. So if you guys are interested in it, has just over 80,000 miles, obviously. If I'm selling to one of the subscribers, I would probably just include the exhaust that's on it and the catch can, all the other things that are in it, probably just sell it as is and call it a day. So if anyone is interested and you're seriously a serious buyer, then make sure you do hit me up on Instagram at BJP Lifestyle, and we can talk about it. I do still obviously owe a bunch of money on it, so that's kind of the issue. But I do think that it may be time for this Jeep to go the way of the road. Now, it doesn't mean I'm not gonna get another Jeep. Maybe I'll go get like a 2016 or 17 Altitude or something like that, build like an off-road build, and those might only be like 10, 20, 25,000 in that range, and get me in that lowered payment range, and then I can start to do stuff and have a lot more fun with it. Like I said, I would like to go away from this platform. I'm thinking maybe having some sort of truck, if you guys would be interested in that. I don't know if you guys are truck people, but me personally, I like trucks. I think it could be fun. I also am thinking like some sort of WRX or some sort of stick car. I know like the BRZ and the WRX both have been so overdone on YouTube, but I also do think that maybe I can bring my own touch to it. I don't know, have some fun, get some manual content going on the channel, and just get some mods, you know, something that's really buildable, that's fun, that I can just enjoy. I know I've said before, I really want the Audi RS3, but for the price tag on it, I'm paying like similar to what I'm paying with this. And it's like, it's give or take. Like, yes, it's a whole new platform, but it's also just a small car. So then I'm gonna want a second car because I like having an SUV or a truck. And I don't know, man. I really want stick too. So there's like the older TTRS, which has stick, and it also has the 5-cylinder. I need your help. Like if you are watching this video right now, I need your help. I need you to go down into the comments right now, and I need you guys to tell me what I should do. Give me just a long list of different options of things that you guys would enjoy seeing. Upvote, like other people's comments, reply to other people's comments, like just build down there and tell me what you guys want to see, what kind of cars would be good and what would be fun for the channel, man. Like I really just want to fall in love again with building cars and having fun. So that's what my plan is for the channel. So you will see all kinds of weird stuff going forward. I'm going to kind of shift it into more vloggy stuff, still including cars, obviously 99.9% of the time. But maybe we will do a little bit of other stuff as well, because it is BJP Lifestyle. So like I said, holding me accountable to working out, getting healthy and getting in better shape, because boys, I'm not doing too good. I've just been sitting at a desk for the past year and I'm trying to get away from that. So yeah, let me know down below, guys. And you know, maybe the Jeep will be going. If you don't want it to go, then let me know why. And if you have ideas of things that I haven't talked about or things that I could do to it, that's the problem too, is like there's not much that I can really do to this engine. I could put an intake on it, and that's pretty much all that I would want to do, really. I mean, there's other things like little stuff, but it's expensive, and it's not like I can just like take a cheap car build and like rejuvenate it back to new and do some really cool stuff with it and have a lot of fun. And you guys will be connected to that build. I'll be connected to that build, and it'll just really create a nice community going here on the channel. So I am absolutely freezing my off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the Jeep and go head out of here, because I don't even know where I am, to be honest. And we're gonna go ahead and edit this video. But like I said, please help me out. Shoot me an Instagram DM if you want. If you don't already follow me, then go ahead and follow me. Of course, like this video, comment down below, because I really need your help. I'm like, not even kidding. I need your help. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Peace.